Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the FIFA mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the FIFA mobile game on your device. And if you're playing for the first time, you will be asked to complete the basic tutorial levels, after which you will be allowed to choose your home country and enter your username. Once you have done all of these, you will gain access to the main menu, from which if you wish to change your language, click on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will take you into the settings page, from which underneath customization, you will see the language option. Go ahead and tap on the edit button alongside language, and now you can choose to use whether your system language or the various different languages that are available for the FIFA mobile game. Just tap on it whichever language you wish to use, and this will change the language interface and restart your game right away. Once your game has been restarted, you will notice that the language has been changed into the one that you just selected, and you can change your language as many times as you wish within the game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on the FIFA mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.